Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, today I like to share a story that's very meaningful to me. The story of my family from my grandparents' generation all the way to me. This story is not just about who was born first. It's about the journey of life,
Number
the
one,
value we
my
hold,
father
and
family.
the love passed down
Let's
from
start with
generation.
my father's
side of the family. My grandparents from my father's side came from a small rural village where life was not easy and was filled with many challenges. My grandfather was a farmer, while my grandmother took care of the household and raised their children. Even though they lived a simple life, they always taught their children the importance of hard work and honesty. They had two children. The first child is my father, and the second is my auntie. My father grew up as the eldest child, carry a lot of responsibility. From a young age, he helped my grandfather work in the fields. And from there, he learned the value of the perseverance. His younger, my aunt, was known for being cheerful and very sociable. Even though they were only two siblings, they always had a close relationship until today. Number two, my mother family. Now let's move to my mother's side of the family. My grandparents from my mother's side came from a family of teachers. So their home was very disciplined but also placed a strong emphasis on education. My grandfather was an elementary school teacher, and my grandmother was active in social and religious activity in the community. They had three children. The first child is my uncle, the second is my uncle, and the third is my mother, the youngest and the only daughter. As the youngest and the only girl, my mother got a lot of attention, but she was spoiled. Growing up in a disciplined environment, she became an independent, caring, and patient person. She is very close with her two older brother, who always treat her like their precious little sister. Number three, how my parents meet. Life journey eventually brought my father and my mother together. They came from different backgrounds, one raised in rural area with the value of hard work, and the other in educational environment focused on discipline and learning. But in those different, they found balance and complete each other. They met when they were young. My father started working at a factory near my mother's family home, while my mother was still continuing her education. Their relationship began because they shared the same value. They both loved their family, appreciating simple things, and respect each other deeply. After getting married, they built a warm home together. Our house is not luxury but is filled with love, openness, and support for one another. Number four, our small family. From their marriage, they had two children. My older brother, the first child, a boy who has shown maturity since he was young, and me, The youngest, a girl, often called the little princess of the family. My brother is someone I really admire. He's very protective of me, always give advice, and sometimes love to tease me, but I know he always be there for me. If I grow up surrounded by love from everyone else, as the youngest, I've been spoiled a little, but I've also learned to take responsibility and give back the love I've received by trying to be good of person. We are a small warm family. We love spending time together, whether it's having dinner, going on simple outing, or just sitting in the living room. What I learned from my family? From my family story, I learned so many things. From my grandparents, I learned simplicity and the strength of life value. From my brother, I learned hard work and fairness. From my mother, I learned patience and the unconditional love. And from my brother, I learned the meaning of support and together in family. I truly believe that every generation in my family has played a part in shaping who I am today. And I want to carry on this good value to the next generation so that our family will stay strong, united, and rooted in love. That's the story of my life and story. Thank you so much for listening to my family simple yet very meaningful story. I hope this story can inspire all of you to appreciate our family more and remind you that family is where we come from and family is where we always return. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.